Hey everyone, welcome back to Cybersec Prodigy. Today, we're going to walk you through the process of installing Kali Linux on VirtualBox. Kali Linux is a powerful penetration testing and ethical hacking platform, and using it in a virtual environment is a safe and convenient way to learn and experiment. So, let's get started. First, go to the VirtualBox website at virtualbox.org and download the latest version of VirtualBox for your operating system. Follow the installation instructions, which are usually quite straightforward. Once VirtualBox is installed, you're all set to create a virtual machine for Kali Linux. The next step is to download the Kali Linux VM file. Open your web browser and go to the official Kali Linux website at kali.org. Click on the Downloads section and choose the Virtual Machine option, and click on the VirtualBox 64-bit downloader. We have not selected the ISO file because VM files are ready-made, which comes with pre-installed OS. We have selected VM because we don't need to be involved in installation and configuration process, which is time-taking. Once the download is complete, you're ready for the next step. After download is completed, you need to extract the downloaded file. The extracted file consists of two files: image file where OS is stored and VBox launcher file. Click on the blue icon launcher file to import the Kali OS to the VirtualBox. Now that the Kali OS is imported to VBox, we need to do some changes in the VBox OS settings. First, right-click on the Kali OS and select Settings. In the System column, allocate Kali OS with your preferred RAM size and processor count. For reference, see the minimum and recommended specs needed for guest OS appeared on the left side of the screen. Let's power up the OS and see the features and tools available in it. Wait till the OS boots. Now the username and password are both same. Just type Kali in both the columns. The Kali is booted up. Let's switch to full screen mode and I'm going to show what IP is assigned to the VM. Just open terminal and type ifconfig and see the assigned IP. Mine is assigned with 10 series IP because VBox by default comes with NAT IP configured, which is isolated from the host, whereas bridged IP is the original IP assigned by our gateway home router by DHCP. Now you need to open terminal and type apt update and apt upgrade commands to update the Kali Linux to latest patches and libraries. Note, upgrading Kali Linux takes some time as all the libraries and applications need to be updated to latest version. And there you have it. You've successfully installed Kali Linux on VirtualBox. Now you're ready to explore its powerful tools and features in a safe and isolated environment. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy hacking!